This is Justin Cornett with Beyond IT over at 7308 Flagship Park Drive. We're up in the media room. Going to do a quick tutorial of how to use the media room remote. So if you ever need to wake up your remote to make sure you're on the right page, just press that light button right there on the side. It'll light up the remote and show you where you are. This is your main page. As you can see, we have a couple different options. We have cable, Roku, a Blu-ray player, and something that'll get you back to cable audio if you happen to be playing music in here. So we're going to start top left, press that cable button. So this is going to take a little bit of time. We've got to turn on the projector, turn on some equipment downstairs. So I'm going to take a quick pause until the screen is up and running. Alright, and we're back. As you can see, we've got the cable remote selected, so Spectrum at the top. We are watching cable. I can turn the channels up, channel down, select a channel by itself, mute it, volume up, volume down, the whole 9 yards. Now say you're ready to jump over to Roku or a Blu-ray player. All you need to do is press that remote button and it will switch over all the inputs for you. Now as you can see at the top of the remote it says Roku. Can control it just like it's my Roku. It's a pretty easy little concept here. Make sure you use the auxiliary buttons here as well. If you ever need to go back to the main page, all you need to do is press that main button. Now you're here again. Same thing works for the Blu-ray player. Whenever you press that, it will jump you to the Blu-ray player as well as basically give you a Blu-ray remote at the top. We don't currently have it hooked up yet. We're waiting for power from the electricians, but this is essentially what it will look like. Whenever you're ready to power down the system, you just need to press that red button from any page and it will turn off everything. And that is your media room remote tutorial.